What's up guys, this video from Airdrop Hub. So, in this video I'm going to review about T incentivized testnet. T is the cryptographic token that governs access to the T protocol. The amount of T tokens in circulation will never exceed 10 billion. If you are interested in the T project, click this guide link to explore their project. Click on the T testnet link. Then you have 3 options for registration. My recommendation is to use Google. Enter a unique username to your T testnet account. Okay, this is your account dashboard. Then click on View All Quests. You have many tasks to complete, but you can't complete this all tasks. I have already completed these tasks in my original account. I created this account to explain the registration process in T testnet. Right, I logged into my original account. Now you may see some changes in the dashboard. I have accrued 2010 points. Let's go back to quests. Now you can see that I have completed some tasks. Okay, let me explain one by one. First one, be in the first of 100 to tweet about the T burn. Click on this task, then click on Here. Log into this platform using your Twitter account, then complete this tweet task. This task is not yet complete in quests, it will complete automatically after 26 days. Second one, tell us about yourself. Go to Settings. Then fill your profile details. Third one, verify your email address, go back to Settings. Add your email address and verify it. Fourth one, grow the community. Make a fake referral using this link in another browser. Sixth one, migrate staking portfolio. You can see the migrate function at the top of the dashboard. I've already migrated my account, so I haven't way to show back about it. Seventh one, keep up with T protocol on Twitter. Click on Here. This will end soon. Complete it quickly. Follow their Twitter account. After 2 days this task will be completed in quests. Eighth one, transfer T to another user. I posted all instructions on Telegram and you can check it also in the video description. Copy this username. If you have another username, you can use that too. Click the Transfer T icon at the top of the website. Then send a small amount. At this moment I haven't testnet T tokens because I used them all for staking. Enter some amount and send it. Ninth one, share the T white paper on X. This is the same as I mentioned earlier. 10th one, backup your private key. Go to Settings. Then backup your key. Slide this button, then you can see your private key. Be in the first of 100 to tweet about the T burn. Tell us about yourself, verify your email address, and grow the community. As you may remember, we did these first. 11th one, stake to your favorite OS project on T. Click on OS staking. Then select any validator and stake some amount. Tick both of these and confirm it. 12th one, claim your staking rewards. You can claim your staking rewards after some hours. Go back to OS staking and check this location after some hours. If you have any rewards, you can claim them. Last one, unstake some T and stake some staked T tokens. Go back to OS staking, then select Staked by Me on below. Then unstake some amount. Okay, I have explained the tasks that you can do easily. More tasks are coming soon. Be active on my YouTube channel or in Telegram channel. I will notify you after they have updated this. Check all links and details on description. I think I explained all well. Don't miss this T-Testnet. Watch all steps carefully and complete these easy tasks. If there are any tasks you can do that I have not described, complete them as well. If you have any question about this, drop it in the comment section or join the Telegram group. Subscribe to YouTube channel and join Telegram channel for no more airdrops like this. So, goodbye guys, see you in the next T update video.